Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use your Android phone as a speaker for your PC or laptop. To do that, first go to the link in the description and download this free software called Audio Relay from this website. After downloading, install this software on your PC. Now launch the app on your PC. Take out your phone and go to the Google Play Store to download Audio Relay app. Open the app and connect to the same Wi-Fi of your PC. If you don't have Wi-Fi, you can do USB tethering. Please note that this system won't work without internet. After you have linked your phone with PC, go ahead and test it out. As you can see, the music from the PC is playing on your phone. Thank you for watching and let me know in the comments if it worked out for you. Peace.